Does your flat iron look like this? You need help. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a great tutorial for you guys, a quick DIY. If you guys have a flat iron that looks anything like this, you need my help. I am going to show you how you can make your flat iron look brand new. Well, almost brand new. So keep on watching. All right, so the tools you're going to need to clean that nasty flat iron is an old towel that you don't mind messing up, a toothbrush, any old toothbrush would do, or some sort of scrubbing device, and you're going to need some aluminum foil, and you're going to also need, are you guys ready for this? Ta-da! Oven cleaner. Yes, this is the key ingredient to cleaning your flat irons, and I'm going to show you how to do that. You also going to need, and this is extra, you'll see what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a little bonus with this. So maybe I'll wait on this and tell you what I did once I show you. But let's get to cleaning this flat iron. First, you want to warm your flat iron up. Just warm it up a little bit to the highest temperature for about a couple of minutes. Next, you're going to take your aluminum foil, just like a sheet, and you're also going to need a mask for your face because oven cleaner, this smell, you guys, is so strong. So anytime I use oven cleaner, I like to have a well ventilated area and also something to cover my face because I don't want this stuff going into my lungs. So anyway, I'm just going to stop talking for a second and I'm going to show you. Ooh, we got it nice and hot. All right, so now that we have it nice and hot, I'm going to turn it off. Okay, you guys, so once I turn it off, I am going to spray the flat iron with the oven cleaner. Make sure it is off. It's going to sizzle a little bit. That's what we want. Go ahead and spray it because remember, it's still warm. We're going to take our aluminum foil and we are going to wrap it in the foil just like that, and we're going to let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes depending on the severity of the flat iron. Okay, once we let it sit, and you should be able to touch the foil and it should be nice and warm. All right, it has sat for about 7 minutes. I'm going to have my toothbrush ready. Unfoil the iron. I'm going to keep the foil down there because it's going to make a mess, you guys. As you guys can see, it's already loosening up. So I'm going to take my toothbrush and I'm going to lightly start scrubbing that away. Do you guys see that? Same thing. Look at all that grime loosening up on this. Now, here's the thing. You don't want to use something that's really abrasive. This is just a regular toothbrush. Look at that, how dirty the toothbrush is. If you use something that's going to scratch your ceramic or tourmaline flat iron, it's going to snag onto the hair and you don't want that. That's pretty good. So now I'm going to turn it back on Let it get hot again. All right, then I'm going to turn it back off. And then I'm going to spray again. Make sure I put that foil, wrap that foil around it, you guys, just like that. Now we're going to let it sit for a few more minutes. Okay, you guys, I let this sit for about 7 minutes again. You want to take your foil off. As you guys can see, and I'm going to scrub. Sometimes this may take 2 to 3 tries, but it's okay, as long as you get it clean. It's almost clean, but I'm going to do it one more time. Let it warm up. Okay, you guys, do you see the difference? Look at that. Big difference. But I'm not finished. This isn't good enough for me. I am going to paint. Yes, I am going to paint my flat iron. Even though this is blue, or was blue, I'm going to paint it black. And I'm going to show and tell you how to do that. First, you're going to need, this is something my husband had in the garage. It's by VHT. It's their high temperature engine enamel. It's a paint for engines, right? And we all know that engines get really hot. So this is in the color black. He told me they have it in blue, like a crayon kind of blue or whatever, but I just chose black. You don't want to use regular paint, and you also going to need painter's tape. So let me show you how I'm going to wrap this, and then I'm going to paint it, and then I'm going to show you. Hold on. I want to just tape off around the blades, because of course you don't want to paint your blades. You can line that up. All right, I covered all the controls and the ceramic plates of the flat iron, and so now I'm going to use my VHT high temperature engine enamel in color black to paint this. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. I'm really satisfied. My blades are clean. If you guys remember how it looked before, this is a total improvement. So I hope this video really helped you all. And once again, if you haven't done so already, please remember to like and subscribe and tell your friends about these fabulous tips. Be true to you and have a good one or two.